channel Gayatri Elite Videos. In this video, I am explaining 10th standard social science sample question paper with key answers. So be attentive till the end, you will get lot of information through this video. Section A, attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. Here you will get 4 choice questions. First one, in 1848, who tried to unite the regions of German Confederation into a nation state by an elected parliament? Answer is B, educated middle class. Second one, unification of Germany took place between, that is C, 1866 to 1871. Third question, identify what the olive branch around the sword signifies. Answer is D, willingness to make peace. Fourth one, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold. Who among the following said the popular line? Answer is Metternich, B option. Fifth one, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as A, an independent nation. Sixth question, choose the correctly matched pace about months and cropping seasons. Answer B, onset of monsoon Kharif. Seventh one, Zaid is a short season which comes during the dash months. Answer is B, summer season. Eighth question, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. Who said these words? Answer is A, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Ninth one, what is white revolution associated with? D, production of milk. 10th one, rearing of silkworms for the production of silk is known as C, sericulture. 11th one, the power sharing arrangement in Belgium prevented the possible division of the country on. Answer is A, linguistic basis. 12th one, in which part of Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan Tamils concentrated? Answer is C, north and east. 13th question, in which year Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country? Answer is B, 1948. 14th one, which form of power sharing is most commonly referred as federalism? So answer is B, vertical division of power. So vertical division is nothing but the power is divided among different levels of the government, that is the center, state as well as the local government. Then 15th question, coming together federation is not found in which of the following country? Is not found. So that is India. A, because India comes under holding together federation. 16th one, which of the following includes foreign affairs? A, union list. 17th one, which of the following types of ethnic diversity is found in Lebanon? Answer is A, religious divisions. 18th one, what does HDI stand for? Human Development Index. Answer is A. 19th question, which of the following best defines sustainable development? Answer is C. Sustainable development refers to meeting human development goals while maintaining the ability of natural systems to provide and replenish natural resource upon which the economy is dependent. 20th question, which is the most common method of measuring economic development? Answer is B, income. 21st one, what are the developmental goals of landless rural laborers? Answer is A, more days of work and better wages. 22nd, besides seeking more income, there is something people resent. What is it? Answer is B, discrimination. 23rd question, if women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make? Answer is D, their dignity in the household and society increases. 24th one, what is considered to be one of the most important attributes when we compare countries at the level of development? Answer is C, income. Section B, attempt any 18 out of 22 questions. Here in section B also you will get 4 choice questions. 25th question, what does the given image depict? Answer is B, postage stamp with the picture of Marian. 26th one, which of the following option is or correct regarding the ideas promoted by Mazzini? Answer is C, only one, that is opposition to monarchy and support to democratic republic. 27th one, what was the interpretation of the word La Talia by the peasants of southern Italy? Answer is C, La Talia was Victor Emmanuel's wife. 28th question, identify the soil with the help of clues given below. Consists of various proportion of sand, silt and clay. As a whole is very fertile. Is ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereal crops. Answer is B, alluvial soil. 29th question. Identify which of the following is not the characteristic of primitive substance farming. Answer is B. Technology. 30th one. Which of the following crop are grown in Rabi season? Answer is C. Wheat, peas and gram. 31st one. Consider the following statement on the term resource and write the answer using the codes given below. So it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. So the answer is A. 1, 2 and 3. 32nd one. Human beings use resources indiscriminately and this has led to various major problems. What are these problems? Answer is A. Accumulation of resources in few hands. Question 33. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion: nationalist tensions arose in Europe after 1871 and there was intense rivalry among the European powers over trade and colonies as well as naval and military might. Reason: each power such as Russia, Germany, England, Austro-Hungary was keen on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans and extending its own control over the area. Answer is A because both the statements are true. R is the correct explanation of A. So answer is A. 34. Match the following items given in column A with those in column B. Here low yielding. Answer: shifting agriculture. High yielding: subsistence agriculture, coffee cultivation, Nilgiri Hills, tea cultivation, West Bengal. So answer is D. 35. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in 1948. The leaders of the Sinhala community sought to secure dominance over government by virtue of their majority. Which policy was adopted by the elected government to establish Sinhala supremacy? Select the appropriate option. Answer is C. Majoritarianism. Question 36. Identify the form of government with the help of the following information. Legislature and executive are closely related and share powers with each other. Collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature. There are two executives, that is the elected president or king and the prime minister. So answer is A. Parliamentary form of government. Question 37. Which of the following options stress on the facts about prudential reason of power sharing? It gives fair share to minority. It reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups. It ensures the stability of political order. Answer is D. All of the above. 38th one. Identify the correct statement about the theory of federalism in Indian democracy. It is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Federation and unitary government are one and the same. In a federal system, the central government cannot order the state government to do something. Federalism has two levels of government. Answer is C. 1, 3 and 4. 39th one. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion: control on mining does not check land degradation. Reason: in states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, overgrazing is responsible for land degradation. So here A is false and R is true. So answer is G. 40th question. Choose the correct option from the following. So list 1 terms related to power sharing. List 2 definition. So answer is C here, majoritarian, ruled by majority community. Question 41. Read the following data and information carefully and select the most appropriate answer from the given option. Here in this table a small correction. Primary is given, organized 1, unorganized 231. So total 232 instead of 238. A small correction, instead of 238, 232. Okay, here find out the percentage of people in the unorganized sector in agriculture. Choose the correct answer from the following. So answer is A, 99%. 232 is 100%. Then the person working in organized sector is 1%. So the answer is for 231 is 99%. 42nd one. Manisha is overweight as her weight is 66 kg and her height is 1.48 meter. Find out her body mass index from the following option. So as we have the idea, body mass index is equal to weight divided by height in square meters. So answer is B, 30.1. 66 divided by 1.48 into 1.48. Then you will get the answer 30.1. 43rd one. A man saw large scale farming of one crop resembling the factory production using capital investment and application of modern science and technology in cultivation, processing and marketing the final product. Find out type of agriculture this man saw. So answer is D, plantation agriculture. Question 44. According to a data, the ethnic composition of Belgium country is as follows. 59% lives in Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% people live in Wallonia region and speak French. Remaining 1% of the Belgium speak German. Out of these three features, what could have been the impact if 56% people wanted to have only their control over the country? Then answer is A. Belgium must have followed the policy of majoritarianism. 45th one, two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion. In Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of the country is possible by respecting the feelings and interests of different countries. Reason. Belgium did not favor any particular community. So answer here D. A is false but R is true. 46th one, Anil wants to go to USA because all the constituent states usually have equal power and are strong vis-a-vis the federal government. Of which type federal government is this an example? Answer is A, coming together. Now section C. So there are total number of questions is 12. Attempt any 10 questions from this section. So here two case study is given. I am not reading this source. So once go through, directly I am giving the answer. Under this case study, we look into the answers. 47th one, which traditional institution of state conservatives wanted to preserve? D, all of these. 48th one, which dynasty was restored to power after defeat of Napoleon? Answer is A, the Bourbon dynasty. 49th one, fill in the blank from the given options. The kingdom of the Dash was set up in the north and Geneva was added to Piedmont in the south. Answer is C, Netherlands. 50. Question number 50. Which of the following statement is or incorrect? In that, European government were not driven by the spirit of conservatism. Conservatism believed that established traditional institutions of state and society should be preserved. Most conservatives realized from the changes initiated by Napoleon that modernization could in fact strengthen traditional institutions like the monarchy. So answer is D, one only. Question 51. Why most conservatives did not propose a turn to the society of pre-revolutionary days? Answer is D, by all of these, because all the statements are correct. Question 52. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion. In 1815, representatives of the European powers, Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria, who had collectively defeated Napoleon, met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. Reason, the Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. So answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Here one more source is given. Once go through, I am directly giving the answers. Question 53. Sustainability of development is considered a new area of knowledge. Which one of the following is the prominent reason? Answer is C. It includes other scientists also. Question 54. Read the following statements and find the incorrect from the given options. So here answer is A, 1 and 2. Question 55. According to information given above, at all times as a member of society and as individuals, we need to ask where we want to go, what we wish to become and what our goals are. Identify the reason. Answer is A. The question of development or progress is perennial. Question 56. So the debate on development continues. Infer the meaning of debate noticed earlier from the following statements. Here answer is A. Again the question of development or progress is perennial. Question 57. This issue is no longer region or nation specific. Identify the issue which is at prominent level from the following. Answer is B. Environmental degradation. 58. Our future is linked together. Why it is said so? Choose the correct option in reference to the context. Answer is A. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. Section D, map based question. Here two questions also compulsory. Question 59. On the political map of India, A is marked as a dam. Identify it from the following option. So answer is D, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Rajasthan, on river Chambal Basin. Question 60. On the same map, B is also marked as a type of soil. Identify it from the following option. A, black soil.